Hello and welcome back. Now in this video we want to add the other scripts to our package.json. Remember that we are running, we have prettier, we have ESLint. Okay, we need to fix prettier and ESLint issues. Okay, because if we, for example, set up our pipeline and we execute it, it's going to likely, and then we run npm run lint in the pipeline without fixing the issues locally, it will likely just fail. Okay, so but we need the script, and also we need the script to start our application. Okay, so somewhere here maybe I'll add the lint check. We already have ESLint installed, and then this is going to be lint fix. Okay, then prettier check, and then prettier fix. Okay, so and then we are going to have the start command. This is the command that will be used on production. We already saw that. Okay, start command, and maybe stop if you want to stop your server for some reason, and delete. Okay, so let me start with prettier lint and prettier. Okay, for lint check, because we already have prettier or ESLint installed, so the command is ESLint, and then we go source / subfolders ****ts. So go into the source directory, go into every subfolder, and then look for every file with the .ts extension. Okay, that is what this means. Go into the source, go into the subfolders, and look for every file with the .ts extension. So we just use this command to run to check if there are ESLint issues. And now to fix, we can copy this, paste here, and then we add the -- fix flag. Okay, so this command will run the check. This command will fix any ESLint issue that we can fix or that can be fixable. Okay, and then we have the prettier check. So for prettier, it's going to be prettier -- check. Let's make sure we have it installed. Yeah, we have prettier. So prettier -- check. Okay, and then we add source / subfolders ***. Okay, ts. If you want to add multiple files, if you want it to check multiple files, you can do ts. Okay, json. If you have a JSON file that you want to check, if you have any other file type. Okay, so I think this is fine for us. And then for the prettier fix, you can copy this, you change this to right. Okay, so this should be able to fix check the linting and also check prettier. Okay, so these are the commands. And now remember, I said for our container running on production, we are going to use pm2. Okay, so we can check pm2.io. okay, so it's a Node.js process manager. Okay, so it can enable you create multiple processes for your application, because Node.js itself is single threaded. It doesn't take advantage of the different cores. So if you use pm2, okay, and for example the machine you are running your application on has 4 cores, it will take advantage of all cores on your machine. Okay, so that is why we want to use pm2. And to start, the command is pm2. Okay, start. And then remember, when we build our application, it's going to create a build folder. Okay, and in the build folder, remember when we transpile, it's going to convert all of these ts files to js. So app.ts will become app.js, config.ts will become config.js. Okay, so we start, then we go into the build folder, and then source, and then app.js. Okay, okay, and then -i. How many processes do I want to run? 5. Okay, attach -- watch. Okay, watch for any changes, And also I can add this Pinot Prettier or Pinot Pretty right here. Okay, so with this command, it's going to start 5 processes using this app.js that will be created when we run npm run build. Okay, so this is the start command. Now the stop command will be pm2 stop all. So this command will stop the 5 processes that will be created, and then we have pm2 delete all, and then this will delete all of the processes. Okay, so these are the commands that we are going to be using. Yeah, this to run the test, to build, to run your linting checks. Okay, you can go ahead, run your linting checks, okay, to make sure and fix any issue you have. Okay,